Hi guys, in this video you are going to see how to do the smooth text animation in Adobe Premiere Pro. So follow the steps I'm going to share with you in this one so to avoid confusion and errors. First, I'm showing you how to create the text as well. So click the T symbol on the left side, type tool, click on anywhere and type the text. I'm making it as subscribe. Select that layer and go to properties panel, or else you can simply double tap on it to open the properties panel. After that, select the text layer, then change the color from here. I'm making it as bright red, and even I'm changing the font by selecting all the text. Perfect. Now I'm going to increase the size, let's say 300, and align it to the center. So now our text creation is completed. To animate this, in the previous video, I showed you by going into the FX panel and changing the motion keyframes. But now we are doing another approach. From this only, you will get the smooth animation. Go to the FX panel and type transform. You will see the transform effect. Drag and drop this to the text layer. And close this, okay? Now, if you go to the FX control panel, there you see the more effects for this. This is the transform effect. So here we are going to tweak some changes. Let's say I want to move this text from bottom to top, revealing the text. So how I can do is I move to 5 seconds, enable the keyframe for position. I even zoom in here so that you will also see better. Then go to the first and again enable one more keyframe. For this keyframe, I'm changing the position. So I'm making it as go down like this. Now select both keyframes, right click and choose temporal interpolation, ease out. Again, select that, right click and same options, ease in. If you click on the side arrow, you can see the graph as well. I think it's too fast. Let's make it even more, like we can see how it is coming. Perfect. So even if you want, you can change the graphs like this. Now it comes smoother. Even I can increase the time frame. As you can see how smooth it is coming. So you can play with the timing as well, guys. If you increase the length between two keyframes, you get silky smooth animation. As you can see, perfect. Now the spicy part here is, if you scroll down, you can see this option, shutter angle. Make sure you uncheck this and increase the shutter angle. I make it as 180. You will see the motion blur here if I play. Now I'm playing. I make it as full. Let's say I bump it to 360. Here you can see the motion. This we can achieve by the help of this shutter angle. That's it. Now you can save this preset, the transform. Click on it, right click, save as preset and give any name as you like. And you can simply drag and drop this and make it as smooth text animation. Click on OK. Now if I go to FX panel and search for smooth text animation, this is the effect I created. If I delete this, I simply drag and drop it here. As you can see, it is applied successfully. So this is how you can achieve that silky smooth text animation in Adobe Premiere Pro. Like and subscribe for more Premiere Pro tips as well as YouTube related videos. Thanks for watching. See you again in the next video.